Hey guys, this is Ravi and you are watching Tech Particle. I am back again with new video. In today's video, we are going to set up C++ in Sublime Text Editor 3 for competitive programming. So let's start. So first of all, we need to check if in our system is there a C++ compiler is present or not. So to do so, we have to search for command prompt and here it is, and in this you can search for gcc dash dash version. As you can see that gcc is not recognized as an internal or external command, so first of all we need to sort this thing out. So to do so, what we need to do, uh, go to mingw.org. I will give the link in the description of this, and in that you can go into the download section. From there you can go in, you will find that this is your operating system. For me this is Windows, and I want to download for Windows, and you can press this button, this particular button, and it will download. So I have already downloaded it here. This is, then I will open this. Let's install the this then go into the basic setup, and then you can see there are like seven options, seven packages are there, but we only need C++ compiler, not the ada compiler or Fortran, so we can leave that. So from starting you can just mark for installation all of them, then this one, then we can leave the ada and the Fortran one, and then we can continue with the this G++ and then with this. And in installation you can go and select apply changes and then apply it, and then it will start installing. Okay, so guys, it will take a quite long time to install. After that the installation is completed, so you can press close. Okay, so now we can close this, and then we can go into this PC, and you can go into C drive. Then here you can find bin.gw. You can open that. In that you can click the bin, and then double click here and just copy this path. Okay, and just go in the type and just type variable, and then you can find the edit the system environment variable. Double click that, and something like this will open. Just go here and click on environment variables. Here in path you can just click on that, double click on that, and just click new. And in this new you can just paste the path you have copied and just click OK and OK, and then again OK. Now you can go into the command prompt, just double click on this, and here now you can type gcc dash dash version. So now you can see that we got the C++ compiler in our system. Now we can go, now we can start with Sublime Text Editor 3. So what to do, just open the Google Chrome, search for Sublime Text 3, and just on the first link just double click on it. And since my Windows version is 64-bit, so you can, I have clicked this and just download it. You can download it from here. I will provide the link in the description, uh, and then you can install it normally. Now just open that, and so guys, this is the first look of your Sublime Text Editor. Now just go to view on layout and select column 3, and then again go to view and then this time groups and select max column 2. So this is something layout which we want. Now you can start writing your code, like let's write it. Okay, so this is the basic form of your C++ code. Now just paste these 4 lines. These 4 lines should be working for you as an online judge, how we work as in an online judge. And if there is no online judge, then it can take the input from input.txt and output.txt. So you must be thinking that what is input.txt and output.txt. So first of all, let's save this file. Let's save this file first, and then we can save it in this folder Sublime, and this is a C++ file, and let's name it code.cpp and then save. So this is your C++ code. Now we need this input.txt and output.txt files in our system. So what we can do is, this is the folder in which I have saved this code. In the same directory, you need to just create this text document, which you will name as input, and another text document which you will name it as output, right? And just go here and just click in this one and then open input from here, and now click on that one and open output from here. So first of all, let's run a simple program, that is cout and subscribe to TechParticle, and then and let's run this. So go to tools, and here you can see build system, select C++ single file, right? Then again go to tools and now select build, and here you can select C++ single run file. You will click that, and you can see here you got your output in the output.txt, subscribe to TechParticle, right? If you will take some input, like let's suppose we are taking some input as x, right? And here we can define int x, so we can, and then after here we can just print the x like this. So we can just type here 10, let's suppose my input x is 10, and now if I run from tools and just, and now you can see that here it comes, subscribe to TechParticle 10, which is value which we have inputted from here. So this is the basic thing for the competitive coding. You just need to do all these things. First, what have we done? We have installed min.gw, that means C++ compiler in our system. Then we have set up the environment variable. After that we have installed Sublime Text Editor, and then we changed the layout something like this. And in the first portion we have, there is our code, then the second is input.txt and that output.txt, and these four lines will connect this input.txt and output.txt with our code, right? And remember this, that input.txt and output.txt should be in the same directory with our code file. Another thing, we can also set up auto formatting in this. How will we do that? Go to tools, and here you will find the command palette. Click on that and search for package. Here you will find that install package controller. Just double click on that and your package controller will be installed. Then again go to command palette and select for, as you can see, the package is installed successfully. Now go to command palette and select for package control, right? You can get so many options. In this you can select for install package, and then you will find this kind of open. Here you can find for a style formatter. This a style formatter, you have to install this package. Just double click on that and something like this will be opened. That means your package is installed. So now every time you build your project will automatically format it. So guys, that's it for this video. We have successfully set up our C++ in the Sublime Text Editor 3 for the competitive programming. So if you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon, and please share it with your friends. Thank you very much.